Alright, so here's it's pretty much what the fog lights look like at night. Get an idea of how bright they are. Looks good. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So a little update on the truck. The truck is lifted and completely finished. It does ride really well. It's actually been installed for a really probably a couple of months now. And also, real quick, if you haven't subscribed or liked to the channel yet, please go ahead and do that. We are at 750 something subscribers now, so I thank each and every one of you for that. So back to the truck, we actually got a new low mileage rear end installed. So pretty much what happened was the seal for the rear end, it's been leaking for a while, like some time, and I've just been putting it off. Well, finally the bearing for the pinion shaft was going out. Well, it eventually seized up and came apart. Well, it welded to the shaft and then destroyed the whole housing of the rear end pretty much. So I wound up needing to put it in the shop and get a whole new rear end installed. A shop called A to Z Automotive Repair did the work. They're an amazing shop. If you're in the Chalmette area, you should definitely check them out. But now the truck's up and running, everything's good. So yeah. Alright, so these are the lights here that they sent us. So let's open them up and see what they look like. They come packaged pretty well too. Oh yeah, these are nice. The 3-piece 12-watt LED chips provide over 2,800 lumens per pair. It's got a nice wide beam pattern and brighter without blinding oncoming drivers. It has a high-quality polycarbonate lens, which is more durable than glass, to protect the projector and LED chips. The housing is made of powder-coated cast aluminum, which is stronger and more lightweight. Nicely sealed and designed to be moisture-resistant and release heat faster. And if you're interested in ordering these fog lights, all you have to do is click the link in the description below. Get started on installing these awesome fog lights. You do have to remove the front grille and the bumper on these Rams, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. God, that sucked. There's no energy there.
You gotta get a little more, yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna get started on installing these fog lights. No.
Alright. Look, you had it all good until you said we're gonna get started on that. You should be like, alright, so let's dive into it. Or something like that, you know?
Yeah, that's better. I like that. Alright, so let's dive right into it. We're going to start by removing the front grille and the front bumper.
Alright, and the front bumper.
Alright, so we're going to get... Alright, so let's dive into it. We're going to start by removing the front grille and the front bumper. It comes off really easy. Alright, so real quick, I don't think I mentioned this earlier in the video, but to remove this bumper skin, you're just going to have these speed clips and fastener screws along both wheel wells here on the side. You have 1, 2, you have 4, I think 8 or 10 millimeter bolts down here, and then up top you're just gonna have these little tabs you're just gonna push in and pull out, and that's pretty much it. And one more thing, you also have this little locking tab here you're gonna have to push up to release your headlight from the back, and then you'll have a 10 millimeter here and a 10 millimeter here. There's a reason you got to remove your headlights, because you're actually going to have a 10 millimeter bolt that's going to be through this way, through this hole right here. So you got to remove your headlight to access that. And if you remove your front grille, you can access these clips a lot easier. And the reason you have to remove the front bumper cover is because your fog lights come out through the front. So they actually just clip right in, so you should just be able to pop them right out. So we're going to work on that now. So one thing I want to mention also, my Rams are 2011, so I don't need to use these brackets right here. I believe these are for the newer Rams, and same with this wire pigtail. I don't need this as well. These are going to plug right into my truck. So but if it doesn't, then you would use this wire, you would use this extra connector and wire it into your truck. But I believe that's for the newer years as well too. So another thing I want to mention, for my truck anyway, you have to reuse your old tabs. These tabs won't work. Pretty much what the fog lights look like at night. I found a dark parking spot so I can kind of show you the spread of the light, but they're pretty bright. I'm pretty happy with them, I gotta say. You can see it's kind of lighting up that building way over there. Let me see if I can get just the fog lights on. Let me turn my headlights off. There we go. Alright, so that's just the fog lights on. Looks good. We can just to give you an idea of just the distance they shone. But I'm loving these fog lights. Absolutely love them. Alright, that's going to do it for another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these fog lights, you can get them on Amazon. They are really bright and I am really happy with them. I'll probably do an updated video in the future to see how they hold up. But anyways, hit that subscribe button, support the channel, and I'll see you next time.